Dogs can sometimes attack with or without warning, and the reasons aren't always clear. In this video, we'll show you 4 shocking dog attack incidents that will leave you questioning what triggered them. Sarah Cook and Ryan Lesher were enjoying a quiet moment on their patio when chaos erupted. A pack of nearly a dozen pit bulls stormed onto their property, surrounding them in a terrifying scene. The Indiana couple scrambled for safety, their dreams of holding a peaceful wedding on that very patio suddenly shattered.
I was sure that we were gonna die. We were pretty much pinned against the wall. One jumped up and bit me right in my abdomen immediately.
I wasn't sure if I was gonna survive that, but we did.
What was supposed to be a place of celebration is now a source of fear. Sarah and Ryan say they no longer feel safe in their own home. According to court records, the dog's owner had been cited multiple times since June for allowing animals to roam freely. Despite repeated warnings, no action had been taken, until now. After the most recent attacks, animal control finally stepped in and removed the dogs from the property. While this incident involved a pack of dogs, another alarming attack was caught on CCTV, this time by a single dog, capturing both the terrifying moment and a heroic rescue.
He's got a bruise under here still, and he's got a small scratch there.
It was a typical afternoon when 6-year-old Mason Lindemann was playing in the driveway with his friends, until the unthinkable happened. Without warning, a pit bull broke free from a neighbor's home and charged straight at the children. The powerful dog pounced on Mason, knocking him to the ground and sinking its jaws into the little boy's head. Just as the situation turned dire, a teenager named Grant Brown heard Mason's terrified screams. Without hesitation, Grant ran directly toward the danger, putting himself between the child and the aggressive dog.
Standing about like right here, and the dog came in running.
The dog was right on top of me, so I tried to grab his throat, and it bit me. I did manage.
His quick and selfless actions were enough to distract the animal and save Mason from further harm. Mason's mother, Jillian Lindemann, says she will forever be grateful to Grant for risking his own safety to protect her son. Our next CCTV footage was captured at a restaurant in Arvada. At first, the dog appears calm and friendly, gently interacting with people, sniffing around and enjoying the attention and affection. It seems completely at ease, until the unthinkable happens. In a shocking moment, the dog suddenly bites a woman sitting nearby, who had done nothing to provoke it. What makes the situation even more heartbreaking is that the dog's owner immediately walks away after the attack, leaving the injured woman behind. Now, Arvada police are actively searching for the dog owner, who was last seen on the restaurant's surveillance video. While one disturbing dog bite incident shocked viewers, another terrifying dog attack was caught on camera inside a Miami coffee shop. In the video, a black dog suddenly lunges at a 1-year-old puppy named Luna. A South Florida man, believed to be Luna's owner, was injured while trying to protect his dog from the attack. Shockingly, the owner of the black dog shows little concern or responsibility for the incident.
In the face, and I think that's what ended up letting the dog go, was the fact that I was punching, and I've never heard a dog in my so irresponsible to just walk out of there without even asking if, hey, is your dog okay? Do you want me to pay for the expenses?